This episode explains how to assemble the B100 drone out of the box. Open the external packing case to see the following components. Take out modules such as tripod, connect the tripod crossbar with the switch light to the tripod first. Align the holes and insert to them for 40 hex socket capital screws. Now fix the arm fastener at the end of the screw. Note the opening of the arm fastener faces outward. Connect the other half of the tripod to the tripod crossbar. Align the holes and insert to them for 40 hex socket capital screws. Also fix the arm fastener at the end of the screw. The opening of the arm fastener faces outward. At this point a leg bar is connected. The switch light can be adjusted downward for correct installation. Attach the other leg bar. Assemble in the same way as before. The tripod is now assembled. Remove the fuselage and place it on a tripod. Form for 12 hex socket capital screws are locked on the side. Note that the 4x12 hex cylinder head screws need to be locked at the bottom. Install the remaining 3 screws in the same way. Take out the number 1 arm and make sure that the white gasket at the joint does not fall. Insert an ATEM 655 7 hexagon shoulder screw. Align the holes before inserting them. Use some 6 hexagon lock nuts to secure the device. Insert 8 XM 6X33 7 hex socket shoulder screws on the folding member. Use some 6 hexagon lock nuts to secure the device. The remaining 3 arms are installed in the same way. First unscrew the 2 hand screws under the casing and remove the casing. Remove the first screws around the rear insert before removing the rear casing. Unscrew the two bolts as well. First, the antennas on the number 1 and number 2 arms are installed in the corresponding positions on the front power plate. Install feeder sheet. Use 2 and 3/8 hex head screws. Thread the harness in the number 1 and number 2 arms through the left and right fuselage beams. Pull it out the other end. Thread cables multiple times, otherwise the cable harness may be blocked or damaged. Use a cable tie to fix the wiring harness of the LED searchlight on the left tripod of the fuselage. Thread the LED searchlight harness through the left beam of the fuselage. Fix the threaded wire harness in the wire slot. Feed the water pipe into the water pipe holder. The other side of the harness passes through the fuselage beam. In the same way, use a cable tie to secure the radar-like harness to the back half of the left tripod. Connect the wiring harness according to the mark in the wiring harness and the power board. Pay attention to plug from the inside out, easy to install. Fasten the lower casing first. Then fasten the lower casing on. After the case is fastened, screw the hand screws on the bottom of the case. Install the rear housing in the same way. Screw back the 4 and 3/6 hex shoulder screws that were removed earlier. Screw onto hand screws. There will be a spray hub side towards the nose. Plug in the pipe. Connect the spray hub to the anti-ignition module. So far the B100 UAV has been assembled.